Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A33 from 2020, and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and let me show you the evidence that actually this reset option will work. So let me show you the grid lines. So here we've got the settings, and let me turn on the grid line, for example. Let's get back. As you can see, they are immediately applied on the camera, and actually now I can show you how to reset camera settings. So let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. And here we have to go to the very bottom of the list and tap on Restore to Defaults. Let's tap on Restore to Defaults again, and I know it looks like actually anything happened, but let's take a look on the switcher. Now it is turned off. Let's go back to the camera, and as you can see, the grid lines simply disappear, so it means that we successfully reset camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.